My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site Asxerk.click. Asxerk.click is a deceptive site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may also attack other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers. This pop-up tries to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Pop-ups by Asxerk.click claim to be related to the well-known security program, but in reality they are not related to any decent program, so you should not tolerate these deceptive pop-ups. I recommend you to research your system with the help of reliable security software in order to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats. Of course, you could initially research the control panel and uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. So if you find any potentially unwanted programs in the control panel, get rid of them, uninstall them in a regular manner. But Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly be concealed on the system. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then begin investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.